Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Pisces for the month of September 2020. This reading includes your all 4 weeks of September. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright Pisces, this is your energy this week. That is the Page of Wands. This energy says that you have a lot of interesting ideas in your head and something that you are planning since for a very long time, and you have this futuristic view about it. You believe it's not something that you want to achieve immediately, but it's a long term thing which you are planning and you really want to go about it. And it is also energy of relationship and marriage. So if anybody who is expecting a good proposal this month might get one. Alright, so the next first week of September, the cards are Five of Wands, Ace of Pentacles reversed, and the Emperor. So here I believe what I can see here is maybe you are having some kind of an argument or conflict with a group of people, and this group of people is someone who is close to you. It could be family members, it could be your job, people of your own team. So I don't know, you are this conflict is basically it could be related to money, it could be related to a family property, and you people really want the best for yourself, and somewhat you are being fair, but someone in this group is not being fair. So you have to be a little careful, because I believe it is for something which was old. It could be an old family business. I don't know. Maybe something that belonged to a group of people, and now now it is the time to share, and everybody's fighting about it. So this is what I'm getting. Anyways, moving forward, before moving forward, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The second week cards are Nine of Pentacles reversed, Eight of Swords reversed, and Seven of Wands reversed. So the second week is going to be a little unstable for you. You have been planning a lot, you have been thinking a lot, and giving your 100% into something, more than that rather, but unfortunately somehow the things are not working in your favor. No matter what you plan, you feel that you have been it comes out to be a shock. You feel that you have been trapped in a situation and you cannot do anything about it. Even the people whom you had faith on are somehow not helping you. It can come out as a shock that you believed that person, and that person only backstabbed you. So you have to be a little careful with this kind of energy in the second week of September. Third week of September, okay, wow, this is the King of Cups, Nine of Cups, and the Devil. So yeah, there is some kind of energy which is basically making you feel trapped in something, but the thing is, by the third week of September, you will feel somehow that that energy is somehow working in your favor. You will be feeling happy, you will be feeling content, you will have power, you will have whatever you wanted for yourself, for your family, and you will be sitting at a position where all your hard work, whatever you have done, is going to start paying you off in a good way. So the third week should be somehow good. Alright, moving towards the fourth week, it is the Four of Cups reversed, the Hierophant, and the Chariot reversed. So yeah, this shows that definitely I think that there are two marriage cards here. So if marriage if you are planning to get married, then it can be a very, very good time. If you are planning for if you are waiting for a good proposal, you might get one. If you are planning to go out and study more, then also it is a very good option. And it's just that you have to be a little careful with some vehicle, or you should not get into some kind of an argument with people, because unfortunately you will not be able to see the reality, so the judgment that you might pass will not be a favorable one. So yeah, you have to be little careful and little vigilant of how your surroundings are. Otherwise it is good, it seems good, no major issues, ups and downs will be there but nothing major. Still, if you have any doubt or you want to go for the personalized reading, please write in the comment box. We also do the daily readings. For that you can follow us on Instagram, the link is given in the description box. All right, Pisces, thank you, bye.